Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys a DIY tea rinse that can help with hair growth. If you are interested in this video, then please stay tuned. The first ingredient that you're going to need for this DIY is going to be lemon balm leaves. Lemon balm leaves are part of the mint family. Lemon balm is good for improving hair growth and is often used in products to help with hair loss. It helps keep the scalp moist and hydrated and helps strengthen the hair shaft. Also, lemon balm is good for oily hair and scalp buildup. It is used as a mild astringent and is believed to balance out natural oils. The next ingredient is going to be 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek helps in treating dandruff, itchy and flaky scalp, treating hair loss, triggering hair growth, adding that lost shine to your hair, and also helps to regrow your hair loss. While it is stimulating blood flow to the scalp, it also nourishes the hair follicles to promote faster and healthier new growth. And the last ingredient is going to be aloe vera juice. Aloe vera contains enzymes that help to repair dead skin cells on the scalp. It also acts as a great conditioner and leaves your hair smooth and shiny. It also helps to promote hair growth, prevents an itchy scalp, reduces dandruff, and conditions your hair. Now I'm just going to place all the ingredients into a mason jar, and then I'm going to allow this to sit overnight. So I let the tea rinse sit overnight, and this is how it looks. So now I'm just going to strain it with a cheesecloth, and then I'm going to put the tea rinse into a spray bottle for easier application. Now, when it comes to storage, you want to place it into the refrigerator when not in use, and it should last about 2 to 4 weeks. And if you want it to last longer, you can place it into the freezer and it should last about 3 to 6 months. Also, when it comes to this hair rinse, it's also a tea as well. So if you want to, you can drink this as well. You could drink this daily, and it also will provide the same benefits as using it as a tea rinse, or you can do both. You can use that as a tea rinse, and you could also drink it as a tea. So when using this as a hair rinse, you want to apply this all over your hair and scalp after you shampooed your hair, because you want to make sure that your scalp is clean. Once you've sprayed it all over your hair and scalp, you're just going to leave it on your hair for about 30 minutes, and then you're going to rinse it out, and then you're going to follow up with your favorite deep conditioner. So you can do this method whenever it's your wash day. So whether you wash your hair once a week or every 2 weeks, so it'll just be up to you. So that's how often you should use the rinse, whenever it's your wash day. Also, you can use this spray as a leave-in. If you want to use it as a leave-in, you can use it 2 to 3 times a week. All you have to do is just apply it on your scalp and also all over your hair from root to ends, and then make sure you follow up with your favorite hair oil or hair butter or cream, so that way you can seal in the moisture. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.